Here's how to find and unhide a post from your Facebook timeline. 1. Open Facebook. On iPhone/Android, open the Facebook app. On a computer, go to facebook.com. 2. Navigate to your activity log. Tap your profile icon, bottom right on mobile, top right on desktop. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and select Activity Log. Alternatively, go to your profile, tap the three dots, and select Activity Log. 3. Find hidden posts. In the Activity Log, tap your Facebook activity at the top. Scroll down and select Posts. Tap Posts hidden from profile to see all hidden posts. 4. Unhide a post. Tap the three dots next to a post. Select Add to Profile to restore it. Optional, tap Change Audience to adjust who can see it. Public, friends, only me, etc. Once added back, the post will reappear on your timeline. That's it. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.